Hello and welcome to the 411 on how to make money online. Today in this video we are going to talk about market research, why it's important and how to do it correctly to help your business grow. In today's tough business world, marketing research is important and how to do it right can mean the difference between success and failure. Number one, why market research is important. You can't make smart business decisions without market research. It helps you get to know your target group better, understand the subtleties of the industry trends, and get a sense of how the competition is doing. Thorough market research gives you information that helps you make decisions about new products, marketing plans, and the direction of your business. In a market that is always changing, it's not just a tool, it's a necessity. Keep moving ahead. Number two, figuring out what you want to achieve. It is very important to set clear goals before starting market research. In these goals, you should be clear about what information you want to gather and how you plan to use it. At this point, clarity makes sure that your study is focused on the right things. Your goals should be in line with the overall goals of your business. For example, if your goal is to get a bigger share of the market, your research questions must focus on finding out what people want and where you can find possible niches in the market to target. Number three, primary research versus secondary research. Doing primary and secondary research means getting information directly from people that is relevant to your study questions. The primary method gives you an edge over your competitors because it lets you get new personalized information straight from your target audience. Secondary research, on the other hand, uses data and resources that already exist. Examples of this are market studies, business reports, and public data sources. It is an inexpensive way to get a lot of information, but it might not be as flexible as primary study. Secondary research gives you more information to help you make decisions, while primary research fills in the blanks and gives you new ideas. Number four, profiling your target audience. An important part of market study is making detailed customer personas. These personas include more than just demographic information. They also include psychographic information like beliefs, lifestyle, and pain points. When you know how your customers think and feel, you can make sure that the goods and services meet their needs. Customer profiling gives you information that is useful for more than just marketing. It helps you make choices about product development, customer service, and even prices. Number five, analysis of the competition. To position your business well in the market, you need to do a full analysis of your competitors. A competitive study should look at more than just the features of a product. It should also look at the company's branding, marketing plans, pricing, and customer service. By comparing yourself to competitors in several areas, you can find ways to get yourself ahead. Number six, ways of collecting data. The way you choose to collect data should be in line with your study goals and the people you want to reach. For example, online surveys are good for getting a lot of information, while in-depth conversations can give you more specific information. In this digital age, online tracking tools can give you real-time information about how customers act, how many people visit your website, and how many of them are buying something. These tools can help with marketing strategies by giving you useful information about how customers connect with you online. Number seven, analyzing the data. Data analysis is the process of turning study data into insights that can be used. To find patterns, connections, and trends, it requires a close look. Using data from different sources like sales data and customer surveys together can help you find useful links and get a better picture of your market. Number eight, keep up with changes in your industry. Staying up to date on changes in the business is an ongoing task. Spend time and money on a regular basis, keeping an eye on how the market is changing, new tools coming out, and changes in how people behave. Industry-specific magazines, workshops, and networking events let you stay up to date and connected with other professionals in the same field. Associations for your industry can also be great places to find knowledge. Number nine, analysis of SWOT. Strengths and weaknesses include things like funding, skills, and where the business stands in the market. Threats and opportunities deal with outside forces such as market market trends and the pressures of competition. SWOT analysis leads to plans that can be put into action. Your business can better reach its goals if it builds on its strengths, fixes its weaknesses, takes advantage of opportunities, and reduces threats. Number 10, what customers say. Feedback from customers is a constant source of useful data. Provide easy ways for customers to give feedback, like online polls, feedback forms, and direct contact. Positive feedback can help you figure out what you need to work on, and negative feedback show you on what you need to change. Good feedback management means not only gathering information, but also acting on it right away. Responding to customers' comments makes them trust you and stay loyal. Number 11, try out different marketing plans. You might want to do a small-scale test before starting a big marketing efforts. You can use these tests to see how well strategies, messages, and outlets are working without spending a lot of money. For example, A/B testing means showing two different versions of a marketing piece, like an email subject line, a thumbnail, or some ad copy, to different groups of people. Looking at the results helps you make your plan better. Testing marketing strategies lowers risks and increases return on your investment, or ROI, by making sure that resources are put toward the strategies that work the best. Number 12, analysis of costs and benefits. It is very important to weigh the cost of your study against the benefits it can bring. Conducting a thorough study may cost money, but it should show a good return on that money. A good cost-effective analysis will make sure that your study is useful and in line with financial goals of your business. Number 13, privacy of data and ethical issues. The most important thing in market research is protect data privacy and allow and follow ethical rules. Make sure that you are always gathering data and legally, and you follow privacy rules like the GDPR, which is the General Data Protection Regulations, or the CPA, which is the Consumer Privacy Act. Get volunteers' permissions after telling them how their information will be used and kept safe. Respondents trust you more when you are open and protect their privacy. Number 14, talk to professionals. If you need help with complicated or specialized research, talking to market research pros can be very helpful. Experts can help with methods and give you access to data sources that are special to your field. Working with experts can speed up the study process and make sure that the best methods are used. With their help, you can avoid common mistakes and assumptions. Number 15, make changes to your plan. Be ready to change your products, marketing strategies, or even your target group if your research indicates that consumer tastes are changing or new market trends are appearing. A flexible approach to strategy helps your business stay flexible in a market that is always changing, so it can respond to new situations. Number 16, constantly getting better. As the market changes and new technologies come out, you should change the way you do research and the tools you use to match. Accept new ideas to make your study more accurate and useful. Make learning a part of your journey and your company. Spread the word about how important market research is to make smart decisions. Market study is one of the most important parts of making smart business decisions. To make these decisions, you need to know your rivals, your target audience, and the trends in your industry. Setting goals, picking between primary and secondary research, creating a profile of the target audience, looking at rivals, picking data collection methods, and carefully going over the data collected are all important steps in market research. Data protection and ethical concerns are very important, and you should talk to market research experts when you need to. At its core, market research is an ongoing, changing process that helps companies understand their markets, make smart decisions, and stay flexible in a business world that is always changing. I hope you enjoyed this video and it has provided you with value and inspires you to take a chance on starting your own journey towards financial success by making money online. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content, and share this video with those who may be interested. Until next time, thanks for watching.